Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this Stihl MS 170 chainsaw, and I will make it ready to use. So I have bought this Stihl and it arrived yesterday, and today I will show you how to unbox it and install the chainsaw. This is how you get it, the wrench, and this to undo that cover to reach the spark plug. The manual, the chain is already out of the package. The protection of the chain. And I've chosen for the 35 centimeter chain leaf. It's also possible to choose the MS 170 with a 30 centimeter chain leaf. If you want to make the chainsaw ready to use, we will unscrew those two bolts. You can do it with the biggest size of the wrench. And then you can take this off like that. And then we will take the chain leaf. It will come up like this. But first we will do the chain on it. So if you've done the chain to the chain leaf, we can mount it on like this. And then we have to put this into that, but first we will unscrew it a little bit. Like this, and then we can place this back on. Do not tighten it entirely, because first we have to tighten the chain, and you're doing it by turning this bolt clockwise. So that's about okay. And if you want to loosen it, you turn it counterclockwise. And then you can turn those two bolts, you can tighten them. We can see to the spark plug if you want, and unscrew that. You can use this for it to do it. You can see over here it's locked, and if you turn it counterclockwise, it's unlocked. And this you have to put down because we're going to take that part up. Like that, and then pull it that way to the right. It grabs over here and here. And now you can see the air filter over here. This is the air filter, and if you pull this out, you can see the spark plug over here. So you have to clean the air filter when it's filthy, and the spark plug when your chainsaw isn't working anymore. So we slide this on again. And then we will lock it again. And then we will fill it with fuel and with oil for the chain. So now we can start the engine, and I will show you how good it cuts. You have to choke a few times and then you can pull. I have just pulled for about 20 times and then it started. But I thought I was recording, but the GoPro Hero 7 wasn't recording. So now for the second time I will start the machine, start the chainsaw. That's how good this new Stihl MS 170 works. This is a piece of wood that has grown for about 10 years. And you see how easily it cuts. So we can split it now and let it dry. And then I think about 1 year it's dry enough and we can use it. So that's a short video of the unboxing of the Stihl MS 170 and making it ready to use. Okay guys, thanks for watching.